Common phrasal verbs with walk. Listen and repeat. Walk away from. Walk away from. It means leave something. Examples: you can't just walk away from your problems. Should you walk away from this job? Walk away with. Walk away with. It means win easily. Examples: she walked away with the first prize. The lucky winner will walk away with a prize of 10,000 euros. Walk back. Walk back. It means retract a statement. Examples: the president walked back her initial comments. They declined to walk back from their comments. Walking on. Walking on. It means enter a place and see something. Examples: he walked in on them planning to sack him. They walked in on me while I was changing. Have you ever walked in on someone? Comment below. Walk into. Walk into. It means get work without effort. Examples: he walked into a great job straight after university. It's not easy to walk into a job with high salary. Walk off. Walk off. It means go for a walk to feel better. Examples: I tried to walk off my hangover. He had to walk off her anger. Walk off with. Walk off with. It means win easily. Examples: he walked off with the award. Lottery winners can walk off with a cool 18 million euros. Walk on. Walk on. It means continue walking. Examples: I saw the accident, but just walked on. I walked on although I was exhausted. Walk out. Walk out. It means leave a place. Examples: the film was a bore, so I walked out halfway through. He walked out after a big fight with her husband. Walk out on. Walk out on. It means leave someone angrily. Examples: he walked out on his wife last year. I can't believe he walked out on me so easily. Walk through. Walk through. It means explain something to someone. Examples: he walked me through the procedures. I still don't know what happened. Walk me through it. Walk up. Walk up. It means go to someone. Examples: a man walks up and asks me the time. She always walks up to me when there's a problem. Subscribe to my channel for more phrasal verb videos and share with your friends.